traveling across Japan for the next 3 weeks.
This will be both our first times driving on the opposite side of the road. Welcome to 3 weeks in Japan. We got a private taxi from the airport, which is not the cheapest way to get from the Narita Airport to Tokyo. But after a long flight, I just didn't want to deal with all that. So booked a private taxi to Hotel Kabuki, where we are staying for the first 2 nights here in Tokyo.
Yokoso.
Hello. We are, I think, the only people on this floor because we got the biggest room in the hotel. Oh yeah, it says private floor right there. Showing you around right now. We have karaoke in the room. I'm getting out of range of the speakers. That's okay. Going into the bathroom, and we have private jacuzzi and sauna here. Lots of fun adventures to come. I think you're gonna wanna stay tuned see what we're up to. Overwhelmed by the computer system figuring out our order, so we're not really sure how this is going to turn out, but you know, it's all part of the adventure, and I'm sure it'll be great. I'm sure it'll be delicious. Getting overwhelmed. Well, me, not her. There's just so much to buy, so many floors.
So there's a basket of like amenities. It's called hair amenities, which is hair tie. I have this one. I don't know. Actually, it said hair amenities as well. I think it's like for laying your hair down, but I thought it was a shower cap. I'm gonna use this for the bath. And this one is a bath amenity, and it's like a little washcloth, toothbrushes, razor, hot pad, and a beauty hair brush, and some white hair clips. They also have mouthwash, cleansing facial lotions, essential mask, lotion mist, lift essentials, clear wash, liquid cleansing, and some more face stuff. I think these are where we put our toothbrush in. Then also got some nice PJs to wear, bath salt. I gotta use that tonight. Ooh, milky bath, roses and milk, another bath towel, some other stuff right here, some aromatherapy, and then got some body wash, hair shampoo.
That is the end of night 1. We had a fantastic jacuzzi, some time in the sauna, showered. So we did so much in 4 hours, right? Is it midnight? We got to the hotel 8 and it's like 11:50 something. This is only the beginning, so lots more to come. Keep watching.